Welcome to the Timesheet tab overview. This tab is exclusive to the Business tier templates. It helps you maintain a clear, organized record of your work sessions and the total time you invest throughout the year. It's designed for traders who need accurate time tracking for their work hours. You'll start each trading session by logging your time here. This ensures you're tracking your hours, not just your trades. At the top of the timesheet, you'll see your summary statistics. These update automatically as you log your hours and trades throughout the year. To view statistics for different years, you can use the year filter at the top of the sheet. Changing this filter instantly updates the summary to show results for the selected year. So you can easily view totals for any specific period without altering your data. Multiple work sessions on the same day count as one working day. So taking breaks or logging multiple shifts won't miscalculate your daily total. The number of hours worked totals all your closed work sessions for the selected year. This gives you a complete picture of your time investment. The trade count shows your trading activity using a specific counting method. Each entry and exit counts as a separate trade. So, if you open one position and later close it, that registers as two trades. One for entry, one for exit. To enter a time in the template, you'll always use the Select Time button at the top of the sheet. This might seem like an extra step, but it solves a common problem that most spreadsheet users are unaware of. When you enter times without our custom script, the system attaches date information behind the scenes that you don't see. This hidden data can cause your calculations to be incorrect. Most templates ignore this issue entirely, leaving you to troubleshoot errors on your own. This behavior also happens in Excel. While it might not matter for most data entry, it does matter when using the data for a time log of your work sessions. Our templates handle time entries differently. The custom scripted time selection button ensures every time value is entered with the exact formatting needed for accurate calculations. Whether you're using 12-hour format with AM and PM or 24-hour format, the system manages it automatically. We explained how to set the time format in the Master Setup tab video. If you missed it, you can watch it here. Let's walk through logging in to your first work session. Start by entering a work date, then click the Time in cell and use the Select Time button to record your start time. The time picker opens with times listed in the format you chose in the Master Setup tab. In this case, we're using 12-hour format, so we see AM and PM times. You can scroll through the list or use the search box to quickly find your time. Let's say you are logging in at 7 p.m. for a late-night session. Notice the hours column remains empty until we record our timeout. Let's say you continue working past midnight until 1 a.m. One of the most powerful features is the automatic overnight shift handling. The system automatically recognizes that 1 a.m. is the next calendar day and calculates the hours correctly. 6 hours from 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. No negative numbers, no errors, no manual adjustments needed. This is especially useful for traders in different time zones, those who trade after-hours markets, or anyone who works irregular hours. The system handles it automatically every time. Now let's look at the intelligent validation system built into this timesheet. The system guides you through the correct workflow and prevents common data entry mistakes. Let's look at how the system handles a few error prevention scenarios. Scenario 1. Entry order. If you try to enter a time before entering a date, the system alerts you and automatically moves your selection to the proper date cell. This ensures your data has all the information needed to be able to enter the time correctly. Scenario 2. Manual entry prevention. If you try to manually type a time instead of using the Select Time button, the script rejects the entry. This is critical. It ensures all times maintain the exact format required for calculations to work properly. The system protects your data integrity automatically. Scenario 3. Session workflow. If you try to start a new session before completing your current one, the system alerts you and moves your selection back to the pending timeout. This prevents gaps in your records and ensures you complete each session properly. Scenario 4. Replace confirmation. If you need to correct an existing time entry, the system asks for confirmation before replacing it. This prevents accidental overwrites. Click Yes to update the entry or No to keep the original. These smart validations work together to keep your data consistent, prevent common mistakes, and ensure every hour you record is calculated correctly. As your timesheet grows, you can keep it organized by hiding older rows you don't need to see every day. Hiding rows doesn't affect your calculations or totals. Everything continues to work in the background. This makes it simple to focus on your current activity while keeping a complete record safely stored. Whether you track 1 month or multiple years, the sheet stays clean and organized. Let me share a few best practices for using the timesheet effectively. Start each trading session by logging your time before entering trades. Always use the Select Time button. The system will prevent manual entries. Let the validation system guide you. It's designed to keep your data accurate. That's the Timesheet tab, a professional solution for tracking your work sessions with precision and confidence. Every feature, from the custom time entry system to the smart validations and overnight handling, is designed to make your workflow effortless and accurate. In the next video, we'll explore the Trade Entry tab, where you'll log your actual trades and start building the performance data that powers your dashboard analytics.